Tower RPC 6898, over Hagonay 2500.
6898, you believe frequency, safe flight, good day.
Thank you so much, sir, and 6898, good day.
Alright mga katoga, welcome sa ating video na naman. Lumipad kami galing Plaridel papuntang Iba, Zambales. Hindi kami pwedeng bumaba kasi hindi namin alam ano policy ng Iba. Kasi nga baka i-quarantine kami dahil sa COVID. Kaya nag-touch and go na lang kami ng mga 3 beses at balik sa Plaridel. Umabot ng 1 oras ang flight papunta pero mas mabilis kaming nakabalik dahil sa tailwinds.
Iba traffic RPC 6898 on final runway 32, touch and go.
6898, QNH 1010, maintain VFR.
QNH 1010, maintain VFR. 6898. Okay, flight controls. Report 5 miles, 5 miles na tayo.
6898, maintain VFR, may leave select frequency, safe flight.
Thank you so much, sir. You have a good day. 6898.
Tower RPC 2764 on number 1 holding, ready for departure.
Airspeed is left.
To Tango 6
Coordinates.
Delta 1500.
2764, line up, runway.
Rotate ka 55. 55.
Line up runway 35, 2764.
Positive rate, top brakes.
Delay yan eh.
Okay.
Tinan mo, bilis natin.
5656 west of Viaduct at 1000.
Ball center 70
Yung
knots.
7, yung pattern nila sa pulsa ulap.
Oo.
RPC 03, runway 35, come for takeoff.
Runway 35, clear for takeoff, RPC 03.
Ang liwanag sa pupuntahan natin. Ganda.
Oo.
Kasi yung babalikan.
Ayos yan.
Eh pag abim mo sa gitna, sundan mo na yung heading mo dito kasi yung sakto yung gitna mo na yun.
Copy. Which is 269.
Okay. Okay, mag-aabim ka na, pwede na yan.
Lang. Okay. Right heading 269.
Ulat.
Okay. Anong oras?
O, 2.5 sabi mo. Okay, all instruments looking good.
Yes, sir.
Aircraft perfectly trimmed. Very good.
Tower RPC 6898, over Hagonay 2500.
6898, you believe frequency, safe flight, good day.
Thank you so much, sir, and 6898, good day. 1192.
Yes, sir.
Track approach RPC 6898, good morning.
6898, go ahead.
RPC 6898, South Station, 20 miles of the station, over Hagonoy, destination Iba, request to pass out of the station.
Baliktad.
6898, QNH 1010, maintain VFR.
QNH 1010, maintain VFR, 6898. Okay, so 040, 035 plus 6, 041. Alupihan, arrival natin 0041.
Kita mo si Santa Rita? May Torres. Yun na yung maliit na bundok, may Torres.
Oo.
So yung north side niya dito.
Yung
yun yung
south side.
papasok. Yung south side, kabila. Ganun lang.
Copy. Yan, sinalupihan.
Ayun yung Bataan Cross, oh. Sa unang bundok.
Kaliwa, kanan.
Yung nasa kanan na maliit.
Approach RPC 6898, approaching Dinalupihan 2500, request to leave frequency.
Roger, you may leave frequency, good day.
Good day. Okay. So, 045 plus 8, 053. 1182. 1182. Copy. Okay, next heading is 261.
Kita mo naman yung reference. Aim mo na lang.
Aim na lang natin. Contact pa tayo?
Go.
Over Dinalupihan.
Oo, 25. Initial contact ha, tapos request to pass north of station 4, Iba.
Okay. Subic Tower, RPC 6898, good morning.
6898, Civic Radio, good morning, go ahead.
RPC 6898 over Dinalupihan 2500. Request to pass the North Station for IBA.
68908, report north side Santa Rita, QNH 10112986 inches.
Report north of Santa Rita, QNH is 1010, confirm.
11.
11 daw.
1011.
1011, RPC 6898, thanks. 1011. Dito si turbulence dahil mabundok.
Yes, sir.
Alam mo,
Inline 3.
alam mo ba tunog ng Yamaha?
Oh.
Ano?
So, kagaguhan yan eh.
Hindi nga, totoo to. Ako,
Hindi ko alam.
ha?
Hindi ko alam.
Alam mo yung mga two-stroke dati?
Oo, oo.
Yamaha, di ba?
Oo.
Ayos, di ba? Yung mga Honda, mga ano na yun eh, mga big bike talaga na mga sikat. Doon sila sikat, di ba? Yung mga
Oh, yung 400cc nila.
Oo, alam mo yung tunog?
No.
On! Ayos!
Oh,
Ayos!
sige, sige. Ayun.
Meron pa akong BMW.
Oh.
Pero yung tunog naman yun, masyado mabilis.
Kasi,
BMW eh,
Oo.
European bike. Ngayon,
lakas yun eh.
titingin ka pala sa sa malayo kasi approaching siya.
Oo.
Pagdaan yan, BMW. Titingin ka, malayo na.
Gagang bilis nun.
Mabilis talaga, BMW. Di ba? Ganun.
Oo.
Ayos ba?
Oo.
Uy, kita ko na si
Subic
25.
Radio
Oh.
RPC 4623 over Olongapo 2000, destination IBA. 4623, report 5 miles south.
Speed boy sa 85. Actually, we have a speed of 76. Sabihin na lang natin 80.
80.
4 minutes. 5.5 miles.
Yan si Iba, yan.
Kaya ng ibat.
RPC 4623, turning crosswind. Runway 32 IBA, touch and go.
Iba traffic RPC 6898 turning base runway 0, runway 32, touch and go. Okay, descending 100. All center, heading to go. Hundreds, check, absent, arrival. Iba traffic RPC 6898 turning final, runway 32, touch and go.
RPC 4623, turning for crosswind, runway 32, IBA, touch and go.
Hanggat di lumalabas yung updraw, tatangga pa rin tayo.
Ipat tapos by 35 to 1 may mapit na. We'll move forward to hold short north for departure.
RPC 4623, turning for downwind, runway 32, IBA, touch and go.
3521 holding short north and additional traffic on Pacer panels please acknowledge.
Full power.
4623, we are now on downwind 32 IBA, giving way to holding, to aircraft on holding point
Brake,
of 32.
brakes.
Sir, thank you. 3521 entering the active departure.
Iba traffic RPC 6898. Airborne touch and go, runway 32. Up ng putay. Pinagagawa ko ngayon. 300 feet, speed check, flaps up, landing lights off. Born again sa sabihin ko eh. Born again. Iba traffic RPC 6898 on downwind, runway 32, touch and go. Na may laser.
6,500 for something below.
Iba traffic RPC 6898 on final, runway 32, touch and go.
Traffic advisory RPC 35999 over Candelaria 1500. Destination IVA via west of Candelaria. Any traffic and route, please acknowledge.
Tops 10. Full power.
Rotate. Activate. Up brakes.
Ayan, at dito na magtatapos mga kaibigan ang ating video dahil
Tapos,
nagloko ang main GoPro natin kung saan siya yung nagre-record ng audio natin. And yun, mas mabilis kaming nakauwi dahil sa tailwind. At salamat sa tailwind. At anyway, maraming salamat sa panonood. Abangan ang next vlog natin dahil 172 na ang gamit natin. Ayan, and my name is Just Fortaleza. Please don't forget to subscribe to Toga Gaming and see you!